paneer bhurji. But
Yeah, this doesn't look like a regular paneer
it's
bhurji.
looking too watery today. This is also an Instagram recipe, by the way.
This food looks delicious.
Thank you. I've had zero contribution in making it.
But do you like to cook?
I make a good spaghetti carbonara.
Well, you know, dad's Punjabi, mom's South Indian. So what kind of khana is made?
And this is half Punjabi, half South Indian. This is
Much
every
like
day.
that, yeah, like पनीर भुर्जी के साथ इडली एंड सांबर हो रहा है यहाँ पर. कैसे weird combination जो आप खाते हो?
बाकी लोगों का पेट के अंदर जाके मिक्स होता है, मेरा बाहर मिक्स करके खोल के.
You have Bollywood actress in pajamas eating the way you are eating right now, keeping your hair messy, which is so refreshing. What kind of thalis do you like?
I really like Rajasthani food, so Rajasthani.